Okay, well, today I'm going to be playing Totally Reliable Delivery Service. And, wait, why am no, I look just fine. Okay. I don't know, progression play. Okay. So, in this game, I talk to the wizard. Hello? Okay, well, this is my area now. My land now. Let's see. Very cool. Well, anyways, where do I go? New delivery. Okay. I have a hand, and I can first timer, this is first time for everything. Okay. I push the joystick, and now I put the delivery in the security kiosk. Alright, now it's in there. And now, I just complete events. Okay. Ooh, a cafe. Double dip. Ooh, look, cars. Wonder how much these cars cost. Ooh, a new delivery. Okay, get this delivery. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is fragile. Okay, I put it in there, and then I hop on, and then I try to drive. What am I doing? What is happening? Honestly, I'm kind of confused. I'm so bad at driving. Okay, honestly, I think it's better just to carry it by hand. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I'm just gonna carry it by hand. Okay. Although it is quite fragile. Yeah, I think I was meant to use the car. Oh yeah, I kind of broke it. Yeah, oh, wizard. I'm gonna go back to the wizard. Ooh. I can jump. Well, I can run fast. There's the wizard. Ooh. There's a red one. Ah, yes, a fresh package. And now I can put it up, and then I can, oh my god, I'm so bad at this. Oh my god, I'm breaking it. I'm literally just competitively smashing it. Okay, it should be fine. Yeah. Wait, do I just stand here? Ah. Oh, wait. I have two. Oh. I forgot I had two hands. Oh my god, why did I just hit a bump? Yeah. That wasn't very good. But, it's fine, right? It's fine. I just need to walk faster. Oh my god. I'm so bad at this. Oh my god, that's 92% damage. And now I shall hit no such speed bump. Oh my god, I'm just hitting everything, not a speed bump. Yeah, this game's quite difficult. Big boy HR. Ah, yes. Wait, couldn't I just like grab the package with both hands? Oh my god, I'm actually breaking this package. Okay, and now I'm gonna deliver. And now I'm gonna turn, and now I'm gonna go fast. This is quite difficult. Oh, I see another delivery that I need to do. Okay. I can honk. Okay, well, your package is like 75% damage, sure. Yeah. I need to get in the back. Okay, there. Oh my god, this is a jumping bridge. This is a retracting bridge. Why am I so bad at this? Alright. Ow, why am I inside this? Ow, oh no, please. No, please. Come on, I'm stuck inside this. Ooh, there's areas I can go. I'm stuck inside this thingy. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck. I'm respawning. Ow, I hit an explosive barrel. The wizard. Tired of running. Unlock vehicles for downtown. Ow. No. Okay. And there's 14 seconds as the goodest delivery. Okay. So race. I'll check that out later. Ooh, a money crate. Oh, wait. That costs money. I wonder what I'd expect. Okay, for now, I'm gonna go look for more of those little delivery thingies. This game's kind of straightforward. You get packages and you deliver them. Ooh, laser barrage. I like lasers. Vehicle skin laser power up KO helmet. Requires stunt sets. They need test subjects. Survive for 2 minutes and I'll be rewarded. Ooh, I love surviving. Oh, that's a nuke. I died. I'm trying again. I can't be this bad at surviving. I cannot be that bad at surviving. It's just 2 minutes, I think. Yeah, this looks quite difficult. No. Yeah, they're launching nukes at me. Who would have thought? Stop it. No, please. What even are these helmets supposed to do? I couldn't survive a blast. Anyways, I'm trying again. I want this. I want this. Well, all I gotta do is survive 2 minutes. Except 2 minutes is proving to be quite difficult. Ouch. No, please. Luck is not on my side, please. No, no, please. Hidden collectibles. Ow, I got hit. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. Oof. Well, anyways. Ooh, a delivery. I'm gonna climb. I just jumped over a fence. Is that a what's that? It looks cool. I'm gonna throw it on this fence. Ooh, new delivery. Earn more money. I didn't get anything from the past 2 people. What? Why did it cancel? I got a helicopter. This is so cool. This is such a cool helicopter. Oh yeah, that kind of does make sense. It's called the Cool Copter. Is it on the Cool Copter yet? Why can't I grab this? Come on, this stupid helicopter. What is happening? I swear. Yes? Oh my god. This game wants me dead in a ditch. Please save me. Come on, let me put this. What is this movement system? Just get in there. Get in the back. This is more of a hassle. I'd honestly just walk it over there. Please. Please. Please, just go in there. It's not that hard, box. I'd honestly just gonna destroy you. Okay, this is annoying. Okay, I'm restarting this. I don't want it to take me 10 million years. Alright, Cool Copter. Why can't I grab this? Grab this? Just why can't I? Come on. Bro, stop grabbing the package. What is that? Come on, stop grabbing the package. Stop grabbing the package. Come on, this is so annoying right now. Is there any like secrets? Can I like, come on. This is actually genuinely so annoying. Come on. This is actually rage baiting me. This is so annoying. Good, good, yes. Ow, oh my god, I'm so bad at flying these. I'm so bad at this. Well, this is kind of fun though. Never mind. Alright. Get in the helicopter. Package, get in the helicopter. Oh, come on. Please. Please get in the helicopter. I'm so bad at flying this. Oh my god, what? Come on. And I hit a porta potty. Come on. Why? Please let me. Okay, come on, this is annoying. I quit. I'm tossing this into the water. This helicopter is rage baiting me. You're going in the water. Because this package rage baited me, I'm throwing it in the water. Yes, I failed the delivery. Good. Wait, don't tell me. Is this the same one? No, it is the same one. Well, I figured out that I can just jump towards the box. And then I can like at least try to put it in the helicopter. Stop it, please. Okay, this is quite annoying. Please go in the helicopter. In the helicopter. Please, in the helicopter. Good, in the helicopter. Okay, and now I jumped in on top of the, no, please stop, I'm flying. Why am I flying? What am I doing? And why do I have a mustache? What is happening? Why are my hands going backwards? Why, what am I doing? Why am I flying? I failed. I died. Yeah, that's too difficult. Not even if I tried. Actually, I'm gonna try again. Why am I doing this? Ow, ow. Stop, what am I doing? Why? Please. Okay, I'm gonna lift this. I'm gonna lift this box. What am I doing? Anyways, this is going in the back. What am I doing? No, come on. Why? Come on. This is the worst game I could have possibly chosen to play. I'd rather have 40 deaths than play this. Or maybe I just suck at this. Probably number 2. Why? Please let me click this button. Oh wait, yeah, I gotta put it up and then put it down. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Please, why? Please. I've been playing this for like 20 minutes now, just trying to like get this box in. Please, box, get in. And not just playing this for 20 minutes, getting this box in for 20 minutes. Please let me. Why am I so bad at this? I'm so bad at piloting helicopters. Why? Come on, just walk 2 inches. My stupid little feet. Walk 2. What is happening? Why am I so... Please, stop wobbling. Bro, move forward. This game is just rage baiting me. Please, just... Alright. Why am I just jumping off? Come on, why am I so... Bro, just stop grabbing the package. I suck so bad at piloting this thing. Why am I so bad at piloting this thing? Finally. Only 122 meters away. Finally. After at least like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, don't know, 25 minutes, I've finally gotten this box to this island. Please. I hate this island. Please, wait, don't tell me there's planes. I see. No, that's just a road. And now I hope I don't get stuck. There we go. Wait. Ooh. Why do I have only $2? Please. Ooh, I can get a marker. I can go smiley face. I can go question mark. I can zoom out. I can go angry. I can go like this. So I'm currently at Happy Clam Resorts. There's a wizard, there's a blimp, there's a tornado or something like that. A golf cart. Okay, well, I have a dune buggy, so I'm not gonna even question it. Let me in, please. Yes, give me my dune buggy. Driving cars is so much easier. Is that a tornado? I just knocked over someone's tea set. $250? Ow. I think that hurt. My God, a tornado, it took my pants. No, I'm not a delivery driver. I don't know what I am. Why can't I just let me get in my dune buggy? I think my dune buggy's stuck. Please, dune buggy, stop it. Please, no, come on, please. Dune buggy. Oh my God, this is... Please, yes, finally my dune buggy is free. I'm gonna go to the tornado again. But I got $250 for that. Ow, I hit that. Oh, what's this? A wizard to unlock deliveries. Aw. I'm gonna go see the tornado again. This music is so lively. I'm going to the tornado. The tornado's all the way back there. Well, I'm just gonna go driving. Neom. Come back here, tornado. I just did a front flip, back flip, and I'm dead. No. I'm still here. Ow, I broke my back just jumping. Ow, I jumped again. Why am I so bad at jumping? Is that a tumbleweed? That's a tumbleweed. There's a wizard. Yeah, I need a wizard. Hut. Wizard, please. Give me something. I have some money. I have $200. Yes. Yeah, I unlocked it. Yay, I got this area. Thank you, wizard. You're the best wizard. Wait, can I talk to you again? Ooh, vehicles. I kind of want vehicles. Yeah, I got a vehicle. Oh, there's planes. There's dune buggies. There's boats. There's jet skis. Can I talk to you again? I don't want shops. I'm gonna go dune buggy over to my new plane. Is that like the Dust Bowl or something? Okay, give me a second, please. Why am I... Yeah, I think. Okay, there we go. Ooh, a helicopter. I want a plane though. Ow, my dune buggy hit that thingy. Ooh, I can get a delivery with a plane. I wonder how much difficulter planes are going to be to pilot than helicopters. Don't tell me they do pilot like that. These are like a real, oh my god. Being a delivery person so hard. Oh, I just died. Ow. And I fell on a hill. The tornado's right there. I'm so bad at delivering. Ooh, what's this? Complete events to earn money. Toward the tornado. Oh, okay. I see the tornado. Please, please, tornado. Tornado, please. Yes. Ugh. Oh my god. I just hit a tumbleweed. It took me like 30 seconds. Why is there 21 checkpoints? Well, I already passed the tornado. I'm so good at this. Oh wait, am I actually farting when I eat these? These are beans. No, I am. No. Just no. No, this sound it makes too. I'm driving. I ran over a stop sign. My favorite thing to do in all games. So I gotta, how many laps do I need? Oh, come on. Absolutely come on. Oh, you don't even have to drive on the road. Beans. Please, no, this bend is quite annoying. Okay. Now all I got, one more checkpoint. I won, let's go. How much money did I get? I don't know. Well, Wizard, tell me how much money I got. Wizard, did I get a lot of money? I have $182. Okay. A ring collectible. Ooh, a tumbleweed. Aw. Oh, time to go back to the planes because I love planes. Oh my god, why am I so... No, please, please. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh. Nah, let me just get on this plane and... Whee! Wait, I can do barrel rolls. Yes, I'm so good. I'm such a good pilot. I can do barrel rolls. No, please. I crashed. Wait, what? I'm on the ocean floor. Huh? I'm literally below the ocean. Yes, wait, what? How did I just collect it? Well, I think that'll be all for today. If you want to see more of this, leave a like and subscribe.